Hi guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to unbox my FabFitFun edit sale box. The edit sale is a sale that happens in between boxes, and it contains items 30 to 70% off. I always get a mystery bundle, and in this video we are going to unbox a mystery bundle and we are going to compete with Kathrin McCarty. And I am very competitive. There's no prize. At least at the point of me filming this video, there is no prize. But the winner will get bragging rights. And I want those. I have no idea what she's getting in her mystery bundle, but when I unbox my mystery bundle, you'll go watch her mystery bundle, and then you will vote in our community tab, and I will show you in a little clip how to get there. You will vote in the community tab who got the better mystery bundle, Kathrin or me. And you could vote twice because you can vote in both community tabs. Her and I will calculate it out at the end. I really want to win. I don't even know what I got. I could really have a terrible mystery bundle in here, but it makes it a little bit more fun getting them, that there's a competition out of it this time. Kathrin is one of my favorite channels on YouTube. She does unboxings, and I don't think we have the same sense of humor, but I think both of us have a good sense of humor. I adore her, like really do adore her. She does a bunch of unboxings. I would say she probably does more unboxings than I do. I only film and post 3 times a week. I don't know how many times she does. It depends on how many boxes she gets, I guess. But she gets like every box you can think of, pretty much, including a tea subscription. She gets like every beauty box. She also gets like a essential oils box. If you love unboxings, you will really love her channel. But make sure that you check out her video today. That will be her own FabFitFun unboxing with her own mystery bundle. And hopefully, I have the better bundle. I'm gonna do the mystery bundle last though. One, because I want you to watch through the whole video anyway, but I always do it last. So I'm a creature of habit. I hate disrupting, like if I do something one way, I hate changing it. It's like stressful for me to change it, but I will put a little timestamp in the comments down below, and you can just click that and jump over to the mystery bundle if you really don't care about anything else. But you should watch the whole thing because I'm awesome. This one's a little bit different too because there is some skincare in here, but I did not get that much skincare this time. I think probably because I overloaded myself in skincare in my last add-on sale unboxing. The first item I got is from Ovation. It is a wet dry brush. It's supposed to be healthier for your hair. If you brush your hair when your hair is wet, your hair is weak. It's like easy for it to break. But this brush is designed to be used in wet hair. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but because I bleach the bottom of my hair, I really don't need that breaking. So we are going to be using whatever brush the internet tells us is the best for our hair. The next item is for hair as well. This was recommended to me by a subscriber, and I'm extremely picky with my hair, but because they recommended this and said that it was just like amazing after they bleached their own hair, it is called the Aveda Damage Remedy. I don't know what the subscriber's name was because this was in an Instagram like message that I can no longer find. So I don't know who you are, but if you know who you are, I got this because of you. So comment down below. So let's smell it. It smells just kind of refreshing. Yeah, it smells pretty good. I don't know how you apply it. Can I apply it to my hair right now? Shake well, work in through damp hair, do not rinse. Well, let's just work it through our hair because we don't want it on our hand anyway. That's nice. It feels light. It feels really lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's gonna leave a film. I must have really been all about hair because if you haven't noticed, I have been wearing scrunchies a lot lately. And I got this little 3-pack from 8 Other Reasons. First of all, it's my favorite colors. White and black. Those are literally my favorite colors, and gray. And for some reason, this like mustard yellow color, those are my favorite colors. It actually matches my eyes right now, and I did not plan that whatsoever. Let's see how strong they are. This is gonna be good. I have a lot of hair. I have thick hair. I have heavy hair. So it has to be really strong to work on my hair. Next up, last time I got the Augustus Vitae or Vitae, something like that. I got the smoked salts. They're so good. I got them in my mystery bundle last time and they're so good. Previously, I got in fall, I got these sugars and I put them in my coffee. So good. I also like to add them to a pancake mix and it adds a little bit of flavor. I have a pumpkin spice one, I have like a chocolate one. They come in different flavors. So I decided to get the summer set as well. And we have summer berry coconut cake, smoky vanilla cherry, and what is this one? Ice cream cake. They're magnetic, so they can stick to each other or stick on your, what do you call it? Refrigerator. You don't have to move them to another shaker. Here's all the sugar, and here's a little hole. So you have a little shaker hidden in your cap. So literally they get to live in here until we're done with them. I'm excited for ice cream cake sugar. Okay, we did get a couple things for skincare. Murad is probably one of my favorite brands. It is a cruelty-free brand, but it is owned by a non-cruelty-free brand. So some people don't like to purchase anything if the parent company is not cruelty-free as well. I believe that if we buy all their cruelty-free products and refuse to buy their non-cruelty-free products, then it might change that company to invest into products that are only cruelty-free. I don't know. I believe that we as consumers have that kind of power, so I do still buy it. This is their Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment, and I actually have acne like right on my forehead. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I hopefully will get good use out of this. It's salicylic acid. Normally, that doesn't work for me too well. Like benzoyl peroxide works for me really well and salicylic acid doesn't. But all the other Murad acne cleansing, clearing, whatever line have worked for my skin really well. I figured I would try it since it's on sale. All the acne control are blue and this is one of the only items that's blue that I haven't tried already from Murad. Here's another skincare. This is from Terramare. It's their Niacinamide and Algae Revitalizing Night Cream. I probably won't use this right away, but I do love Terramare a lot and niacinamide is so good for your skin. I have a lot of skincare already open and I am currently using a CBD oil that I got in my last video and I am loving it. It's lightening my acne scarring so well. I think I've used it for 3 weeks. It's on my Instagram stories where I show you the products that I've been using and that I've unboxed but I didn't use. I love it so much that I put another one in my cart from the surprise sale. It's the Flora and Bast Clarifying Facial Oil. This will be used when I am done using that. Ooh, it comes with a little spoon. I love that. Ooh, it smells good. This did not have a cover on it either. Somebody mentioned that in my last video, like, do you notice the FabFitFun skincare does not have covers? And I didn't notice, and now I notice it a lot, so it is ruined for me. But I did go back and check in some of my videos and some of them do have covers that I pull off, but apparently Terramare does not. This, oh, there it is. It was just stuck at the top. I bought these Point Studio socks. I have been working out at home and I just figured that it would help me because I don't really have like the best flooring for working out at home, that I thought these non-grip socks might help me. Plus they're so cute. They're like green and purple. Who doesn't love green and purple? I don't know. I do. We only have 2 more items and then we can open our mystery bundle. This is a Sticker and Chill Succulents and Crystal book. I'm not gonna lie, this isn't for me. It's a gift. I don't know when she will get it, but this is how I shop. If I see something that really reminds me of someone and I have like a plant mom friend, then I just buy it and I put it in a drawer until I'm ready to give it to the person. Maybe she will watch this video and maybe she will forget by the time it's time for me to gift it to her. But there's all these cute little succulent stickers. This says Positive Mind Vibes Life. It says Nope down here, and this one has all kinds of purple succulents. So this is really cute. She's such a plant mom. Like honestly, they're her children. Maybe she won't even get it till Christmas. Who knows? She knows who she is if she's watching this too. Moving on to the last item before our mystery bundle, we have dun 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 dun, Spongel or Spongele if you want to use the little, this thing. This is in the scent Papaya Yuzu, and I love all the fruity Spongels, and this one is not disappointing me already. Okay, so for first time Spongel people, because most of y'all already buy Spongels. If you watch my YouTube videos and you are a FabFitFun member, I know you guys are all buying Spongels, but if you don't, it is basically a sponge, and when you get it wet, the soap is inside the sponge, so you could take this traveling, whatever. It's like body wash already in your loofah. Spongels are, once you have one, you will get addicted. You have to get them wet. They start rough. If you really don't like the rough feel of them, you can just waste some of the soap for the first 3 or 4 uses, and then you have like the perfect squishy Spongel. I actually like them kind of rough because they're exfoliating, and I like to like deeply exfoliate my legs with them. All right, are you ready for the mystery bundle? So in this corner is mystery bundle number 1. In Kathrin's corner, you gotta go watch that one, and then we will battle. I just realized though, some of the bundles are the same. Like this is very possible that we're both gonna post our video and neither one of us is gonna know that the bundles are exactly the same. If that happens, that would be like the best day ever actually, because we both win. The number on my bundle is 2002 MYS018. First up, we have a little Ish product in here. I feel like Ish comes in bundles pretty often because Ish is a FabFitFun brand. Basically, it's an in-house brand. FabFitFun owns it. So I think those things, like, they probably have a bunch of extras of. So we got the Ish Body Bronze Oil. Wow, it is so shimmery. Okay, if she got this, she's gonna hate it because it literally looks like liquid glitter. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Like I'm gonna hold it up for you guys to see because this is so gorgeous. Like everyone needs to see this. Goodness gracious. Okay, let's put a little bit on my arm or hand, or where do you put this type of thing? Would this be like for my whole body, for my legs, like before a beach day? Bronze tanned, non-bronze tanned. It's not too much, but it is still noticeable. I don't know if you can notice it from this far away. Yeah, you can totally notice it from this far away. This is the bronzed version, this is the not version. So if you're like super white, this could actually work. I hope it's not like permanently bronzing me though, like, you know, tanning oil. Okay, it also says this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, talc-free, and vegan. Honestly, she would hate getting this. I really think she would. I don't know, but I do. I think she would. What's odd is I got a second tanning item. That one's bronzing. I don't think it's actually tanning my skin. I think it will wash off. This is an illuminating facial tan mist to tan your face. Have you guys seen the contour tanning? People who like tan their face where their contour should be so you don't have to apply contour anymore. This is from Mind Tan, Ultra Hydrating Rose Color Base. Why would it be rose? So this is a hydrating gradual tan facial mist infused with soothing rose water. I'm not gonna lie, I do wanna win. I really do wanna win. Mind Tan's a great brand, so I will say that. But I tan very easily. Like if I'm in the sun for 2 seconds, my face is a different color. So this is not necessarily an item that I need. That does not mean it's not useful. It is useful for some people out there. But for me, it's honestly not something that I really need, but I'll probably gift it to someone that I know that would need it. So we only had 3 items. I feel like normally these bundles come with more, but my last one is the Oribe Illuminating Face Palette in Moonlit. Okay, she looks fancy. Oribe is a great brand. I have used their hair care. I have not used their makeup. Oh, wow. I'm really not like trying to play this up just because I want to win. I do want to win, but this is actually really pretty. I'm gonna go grab my highlighting brush and we will play with it really quick. Although I already do have some highlight there. It kind of looks like Neapolitan ice cream because it has like, anyway. She's a little pink, a little more pink than I usually get, but she's there. I have to be very careful with highlighter because I am very oily and have a natural highlighter. So I am not one of the like strobe across the room type people because my face can do that all on its own. Why do I need to pay $60 for that? Mystery bundles are $29 and they're guaranteed to be worth $100. I don't know exactly what mine is worth. This, I looked it up, is $68 retail value. I know Oribe is kind of expensive, but like, what? That is crazy. This, I don't know how much this costs because it's Ish, and Ish is an in-house brand, so when it sells out, it's just like off the website. And then this is $20, so it's $88 plus whatever the Ish costs. I'm sure that costs more than $12 though. I think I did pretty well. I don't know that I'm gonna use this. I might use it to try the contouring, the facial contouring with tanning mists and tanning oils, but I'm a little bit scared to do some permanent contouring. What if it gets too dark? How do I fix that? I guess exfoliating, right? Make sure you go to the community tab and you vote for your favorite bundle. I have no idea what's in Kathrin's bundle. I'm gonna watch it at the same time you guys watch it, so I have no idea if mine is better or not. I'm a little bit nervous because I wanna win so badly. There's literally zero prize. This is just who I am. Don't forget to vote. The way you get to the community tab is to somehow click on my YouTube profile. You can click on my name, you can click on my little circle photo underneath this video, and then it'll take you to my YouTube channel page. That page has different tabs. It has a tab for videos, it has a tab for playlists, and it has a tab that says community. On the community tab, there'll be a poll open. Honestly, we didn't even talk about how long we were gonna leave the poll open either. But there will be a poll open, and at some point in time, so do this as quickly as possible, we will calculate the results and see who won the mystery bundle battle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!